Hey guys, I'm Steph and welcome to my beauty stash. Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for watching another one of my videos. You know the drill, guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you doing? Make sure you click on that subscribe button and make sure you ring that bell so that you never miss one of my video uploads. Today, we are talking October favorites. I have six products that I am going to be sharing with you guys today, and these are products that I have been using and loving all month long. All of the products that I'm going to share with you all today are actually on my face right now, and I have been loving and using them. They're really great products. Most of them are very affordable products with the exception of one thing, and that was actually something that was gifted to me. So I can't wait to share with you guys all of the products that I have been loving all month of October. So let's get started. The first product that I have to share with you guys is a hair product, and this is a dry shampoo. This is the Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Texturizing Dry Shampoo. It is in the scent Toasted Coconut. I love anything with a coconut fragrance in it. It just reminds me of summertime, of beach time, and any kind of reminders that I can get of the beach, I take. I love them. This is the first time I've tried this product. I've used other products from the brand, which I really enjoy. I have like leave-in conditioners, and I have styling sprays and different things like that. But this is the first dry shampoo purchase that I have made from the Not Your Mother's brand, and I have loved it. I picked this up at Amazon, I believe. It was a pack of 2, and for the pack of 2, I think it was around $7 or $8, so it was definitely a really great value. I use this weekly. Usually I shampoo and condition my hair every 2 or 3 days, just because it is color treated and I don't want to wash any of that color out. So this is great in between those days when I don't shampoo and condition my hair. This really does add body, because I have very fine, thin hair. It adds body to my hair. It doesn't weigh it down, and it does texturize it. So it gives me, you know, kind of a more full voluminous effect to my hair versus, you know, if I didn't put any product in my hair, it kind of, you know, stays limp and stuff. But this does really add texture and volume to your hair. I highly recommend this, especially if you have, you know, thin, fine hair like mine. Just if you have color treated hair, you don't want to be shampooing your hair every day, a dry shampoo is a really great way to go. You do get a lot of product in here. There's 7 ounces in here, and individually this retails for $5.99 on the Ulta website. And again, I did pick a 2-pack up from Amazon, and I want to say the 2-pack was like $8. I will definitely put the link down below for the items that I buy. But yeah, this has been a game changer and a lifesaver. The next product that I have to share with you guys is a mascara, and it is the one that I am wearing today. This is the L'Oreal Ultimate Mascara. This came out a few months ago. It was released this year. I want to say it was released maybe around April or May, not too sure. I picked this up at Ulta, of course, in the drugstore section. This retails for $12.99. This is what the brush looks like. I really love the comb style applicator, and it really, really helps to separate my lashes. What makes this mascara unique is that you can actually bend the applicator, and that way you can apply it like this. I don't really do that, but you can if you would prefer to have your applicator kind of angled like that. I think it would definitely help with getting into the inner corner, but I just use it regular. You have this little guard right here that will prevent the handle from moving. So I just use it straight, just like I would a normal mascara. I don't bend it, but you do have that option if you choose to. I like that this mascara dries pretty quick. This does not flake on me throughout the day. It stays looking really nice. I really love the length that it gives my lashes. I do already have length to my lashes, but that just really This mascara really does amplify that, and I just love the separation that it gives. That's what I really look for, something that's going to volumize and separate my lashes. This L'Oreal mascara does a fantastic job of doing just that. The next product that I have to share with you guys is one that I haven't, if I've tried it, it's been probably since high school, which has been about 20 years now. So I don't remember how it performed back then, but this is one that one of my friends here on YouTube, her name is Steph Heim. I will leave the link to her channel down below. I saw her using this in one of her more recent videos, and I wanted to try it. It looked so nice on her skin, and she was raving about it. And I've seen other YouTubers as well talk about this, and I just never bought it. I never think to purchase it. And that is the CoverGirl Clean Professional Powder. This is the loose powder in shade Translucent. Like I said, if I've used this, it was back in high school, and I don't remember how it performed at all, but I have this powder on right now. I have been using it nonstop since I purchased it, and oh my God, it is such a smoothing, kind of a blurring primer. Not a primer, a powder. What am I saying? It's such a blurring and smoothing powder. It doesn't cake up on me. It doesn't look ugly under my under eye area. It keeps my T-zone matte all day long. It's inexpensive. This was $7.49 at Ulta, although I'm sure you can find it maybe $1 cheaper at your local grocery store, maybe even at Walmart. But I am so glad that I decided to purchase this. This is definitely verging on holy grail item for me. Like I really do love it. It doesn't, affect the color of my foundation or concealer. It's just translucent. It just does what I want a powder to do, and that's blur and keep my oils away and just set everything down really nicely. This is an OG, guys. This has been around for years, and CoverGirl is now cruelty-free, which I think is fantastic. You do get 20 grams of products in this. Again, it does retail for $7.49 at Ulta. And if you haven't tried it, I highly recommend trying it. I think you're going to love it for setting your concealer under your eye, for patting down your T-zone. That's how I mainly use it. And wow, like I am so glad I bought this. The next product that I have to share with you guys is an eyebrow pencil. And this is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Auburn. This is a dual-ended eyebrow brush, meaning you have a spoolie on one side, which I think all eyebrow products should come with. They should have a spoolie. And then you have the product on the other side. It is very, very fine. It is a very small tip applicator. The thing with micro brow products, guys, and it's not just NYX, it's with all of them in general, you do tend to go through these more quickly just because they are so fine and so micro in size. But I really do enjoy using this. I've been using it every day since I colored my hair red. It is really easy to use this product to fill in the eyebrows. I enjoy the spoolie on it. I use this in conjunction with the ABH brow pomade. I really do love those together, and I am so happy that I decided to pick this up. It has really great reviews on Ulta's website. It does retail for $10, but I've really enjoyed using this, and I'm really glad that I picked it up. The next product that I have to share with you guys is the ABH Norvina Volume 2 Eyeshadow Palette. This does retail for $60. It's available at Sephora, Ulta, and at the ABH website. Let me show you what this gorgeous palette looks like in case you haven't seen it floating around the internet, which I highly doubt that. This is the more blue and green tone palette. Volume 1 was more of the purple tone, and Volume 3 is more of the orangey tones. I absolutely love this. This is what I am wearing on my eyes today. I did a little blue moment for you guys, and it is a dream to work with this palette. I am so glad that I was gifted this palette, because I was on the fence whether to purchase this one or Volume 3. So when I received this as a gift, I was just so excited. So that just means I can go buy Volume 3 next month. So really do enjoy working with these pressed pigments. They are absolutely amazing. The Sephora VIB sale is coming up on November 1st. I would definitely put this on your list. If you love working with blues and greens and yellows, you're gonna love this. There is no Absolutely zero fallout, no issues with the eyeshadows at all. Very, very high quality. I mean, you are really getting your money's worth with any of the volumes on these ABH Norvina palettes. They all perform so well, guys. They also came out with mini versions. They came out with the mini versions like a day or two ago, and those retail for $29. You get 9 shades in those. This does retail for $60. You do get 25 shades in here, and this is a no-brainer, guys. If you love the brand, if you love working with these colors, I highly recommend it. It's just a really great quality item. I'm so happy that I received this one, and I can't wait to pick up volume 3. The last item I have to share with you guys is not a beauty item, but you'll probably use it in your beauty room, and that is this pack of scrunchies, velvet scrunchies that I picked up from Amazon for $6.99. You do get 12 in this pack. They're all more muted colors, kind of more fall tone colors. They're all velvet. You have a dark green here. You can see my hair in some of them. You see I've been wearing them. The light pink, I'm living for this color right now, by the way. They're just so pretty. You have your teals in here. I love wearing them. They're so soft. They really hold your hair in place. And who would have thought that scrunchies were gonna come back? I remember wearing scrunchies when I was in elementary, middle school, and they kind of got phased out when I was in high school. And you know, it's just true. Everything that is old becomes new again, and I love that. I love that about fashion. I love that about beauty. It's just I love that we can embrace the old and kind of, you know, make it new again. And yeah, I'm so glad that these came back in style. They're so soft. They're so pretty. They're just a great way to add something extra to your look, and I really do enjoy wearing these. So that's all I have for you today, guys. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I want to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you all so much for being here. Thank you all so much for clicking on that subscribe button. Make sure that you guys tell all your friends. Everybody is welcome over here in Steff's Beauty Stash. You guys have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, drink your water, and I will see you all real soon. Bye.